In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add statuses on ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your team's workflow is clear and consistent. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign into your workspace. Give the page a moment to load so you can see your spaces on the left. We're going to make the change at the space level, which is the broadest layer in ClickUp's hierarchy. That means the statuses you set here can flow down to everything inside that space, unless a folder or list overrides them. This is a great way to standardize how work moves from start to finish. Next, choose the space you want to update. Click to enter it so you can see its tasks and views. If you manage multiple teams, pick the one where you want a shared workflow. A quick tip: keep your status set focused on the type of work that lives in that space. For example, a product team might want backlog, in development, and ready for review, while a design space might prefer briefed, designing, and approved. Now, look for the space title near the top or in the sidebar and click the three dots next to it. This opens the Space Options menu. If you don't see the menu or can't access it, you may need the right permissions. In that case, check with your workspace admin so you can manage statuses at the space level. From the menu, select Task Statuses. This takes you to the status settings for the space. You'll see the current workflow, often including an initial open status and at least one done or closed status. This panel is where you can shape how tasks move, keeping your process clear for everyone on the team. To add a new status, click Add Status. A small window will appear asking for details. Give your status a short, clear name so teammates understand exactly when to use it. If prompted, choose a color that makes it easy to recognize at a glance, and set whether it's open or done based on how you want tasks to behave at that stage. When you're happy with it, confirm to create the status. Your new status will now appear in the list and be available on tasks within this space. That's it. You've added a status in ClickUp. Keep names consistent, avoid duplicates, and review your set from time to time to keep your workflow simple and effective.